Hello friends, and welcome back to Simply Study. I'm Nidhi, and in this video I'm going to talk about punctuality, the A to D of punctuality. Now, why do you want to be punctual and in which situations you can use these things I'm going to tell you. So let's say you want to go to school, let's say you have to go to college or you have to go to your workplace. Then you wake up and you do all kinds of activity, and in the meanwhile, if you have to go through public transport, you are rushing here and there. If you have to go on your own vehicle, then you rush by yourself. So all these things lead to a lot of hustle and bustle in the morning. Punctuality is a virtue which learnt early is beneficial for you. If you are a punctual student, you'll always be punctual to work and you'll never have the complaints from your boss about anything. So let's see the A to D of punctuality. The A of punctuality is to analyze why you are getting late. Now, this has to be done by yourself. If you are a school student, then you have to analyze your morning routine and check that what is the reason behind you getting late. If you are a college student, then it goes the same way. And if you are going to work, then you have to see that what are the activities which you can do earlier and you can reach to your workplace on time. So you have to analyze by yourself, write down on a piece of paper if you want what are the activities that make you late. The B for punctuality is to remove the backpack stress. Now, if you have to go to school, I know in school it's a lot of stress to take this book, this drawing book and the colors, and depending on the period, so you have to pack your bag depending on the timetable. So you should take care of this thing the night before. So this will help you to reach your school on time. Same for college and even same for your workplace. If you are packing something for a trip, or maybe you are packing something for a work day, then you can pack these things earlier. The C for punctuality is nothing but to calm your mind and body. Mornings are the best time to relax, and instead of doing the hustle and bustle, it is good that you sit, have tea, coffee or milk, whatever you prefer, with your friends and family. And mostly we all stay with family, but if you are staying in a hostel or something, you can have with your friends also. Have your personal time, have your tea, coffee, and then you can go to work or college, whatever it is. And the D for punctuality is the desire to reach. Now, if you have thought in your mind that it's okay, half an hour here or there, then you'll definitely reach half an hour late. So the D is the most important. You need to have the desire to reach on time, and hence you'll be able to do this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and in the next video I'll be talking about how to declutter. So keep watching this space. Thank you for watching.